Hey guys, welcome back to the Screamin' Chicken YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you a customer install of our headlight conversion kit. Okay, so this is our headlight conversion kit for your 70 to 81 Camaros. We include the LED bulbs, and then you get the headlight housing here from United Pacific. They use a clear glass, so you get a very nice clear light through them. And then they actually include a diffuser. You get a good shot here of it so that you won't blind oncoming traffic with your LED bulbs. We can also include new hardware as an option if you need that as well. So these headlights are designed to fit in your factory buckets. Your 70 through 77 Camaros may require some minor modifications behind the bucket. This customer on his 71 did not have to modify anything. They fit right in without any issues. So that's going to be a case-by-case basis off of how yours was built back in the 70s. I wish I could tell you a little more on that, but every car is just a little different back then. So may have to make some minor adjustments, but nothing crazy. They use an H4 style bulb. So while the LED bulbs are rated for 30,000 hours, if you're ever out somewhere and do happen to have a bulb go out or break or cut a wire or something weird, you can go to a regular auto parts store and get a replacement bulb that will fit in the light. You can see here you get a nice white light out of these. You don't get any of the yellow coloring. To find these on the website, you'll just simply go to the second gen drop down, and then you can go to 70 to 81 lighting, 70 to 81 Camaro headlights, and you'll scroll down and you can see there the first option right there. We also offer headlight rings and buckets if you need those. You saw those there in the menu as well. Another way to do it is to go to the second gen drop down, go to lighting, Camaro headlights, and then it'll bring you to that same page, and it's the first option there. And again, there's the buckets and the rings if you happen to need those. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.